Hello, we are going to try these stamping gels from Shein. They come in different colors, as you can see. I have labeled them to know which color is each one. I bought them because I think all the stamping gels I have are not working properly. I never get the result I want. I'm always fighting with stamping. So I'm going to try if it's worth it to buy these gels or not. I'm going to use this plate to try the stamping gels. And this design with bats that is very cool for Halloween. The plate is from Nailart. The first color I am going to use is red. I'm not using a lot of product because I think is enough with a little bit. The key to do it is extending it well. I remove all the excess from the scraper because I don't want to ruin the design. You can see the design on the stamper that is really good. I'm placing the design onto the nail. The gel is still on the stamper, which is a cool thing, so you can still use it on the nail. Sorry I ruined the design with these last add-ons. The next color will be blue. You need to be careful because you can stain your fingers with the gel. Again, I'm not using a lot of product and I'm extending it well. I remove the excess carefully. And that's the result, and we are going to place it onto the nail. I think it's better than the first one. You have to take into account that the gel stays in the stamper. It's a little bit difficult to remove it. You have to clean the stamper more than once to remove all the gel. Now we're using green. I'm using again only a small amount of product. And removing the excess. This is the result. I don't like the color very much. I would have preferred a normal green rather than a fluorescent green. As you can see, this color is not transferring well. Let's move now with silver. On same process again. Here you can see the design. As it has happened with green, it hasn't transferred very well. Next color will be purple. This color has transferred better than the last ones. Let's move now to black. The result is good. The next one is white. I'm using a black base this time, obviously. I think this is one of the best results. Now it's time for yellow. It looks like orange, but it's not. This one hasn't transferred very well. Next one is pink. Again, a fluorescent color that I don't like much. This is one of the things I don't like about this set. This is one of the worst colors at transferring. And last one is gold. This is the worst at transferring, definitely. So these are the results with all the gels. I think the product is good. The exceptions are the fluorescent and glitter colors, but that always happens. I love the fact that the gel stays on the stamper without drying. I think it has been a good purchase and I like the gel format for stamping. Here you can see a close-up view of the results. So this is all. If this video was useful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time!